Hey, what's up, guys? How you doing today? So what I'm going to show you today is a quick setting on the phone overall in general. So I'm gonna go through the starting of the phone, how fast it's gonna start, and the software experience of the Motorola. So we're gonna start with the power now. Let's 3 to 1, and there you go. It's just started. So you gotta count how many seconds it's gonna take for it to start. A couple of things I'm gonna mention now. Some of them good, some of them I didn't like. You see,
Hello, Moto.
okay, this woman is gonna say this word every day when you start the phone and turn it off. If there is a way to turn it off, let me know, guys. So this keeps going on and going on. Let me just open up this again. Turn off the Wi-Fi. Okay. So here, as you can see, the screen is beautiful. The best thing about this phone is the quality of the screen, how fast it is to navigate and go through things. It's so fast. Now, what I love about this phone is two things, and two things mainly. It is number one, the processor here is the Snapdragon 870, which is technically a flagship if it's cooled or done right. And we see numbers that Snapdragon 870 exceeded the 888 when it comes to the power and speed and graphics. In this case, Motorola does bring great numbers. I'm not going to show you the numbers. Maybe I'll show it maybe another video. But for now, I'm going to go through the software experience. Now, number one, the best thing about Motorola phones is that the way that you navigate your phone is way easier. It's like a pure Google experience. So just the basic thing, you go left to see the news, right, scroll down, up, bring the applications, draw, and sliding down, you see all the stuff that you need here, and it packs a lot of things. Look, let me just go through these things one by one. Now, if you go down, let me show you. So it has Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and we have Airplay Mode. Let me just get it more closer for you. All right, so Airplay Mode, radio for, which is I'm gonna have a dedicated video for it. Hotspots, torch, which is the flash, auto rotate, do not disturb. We have system update for it, specifically for system updates. Battery saver, nearby share, which is the best thing about Android. Screen recorder, and we have screencast, Wi-Fi. Not connecting. Don't worry about the screencast. Ready for is the best option. I don't know why they include this here. Nightlight, which is basically gonna turn your phone to a dark mode, and I'm gonna show you a test between this and between the Asus. As you can see how it's look at night. So we have the Asus, and this is the Zenfone. We're gonna test between the Zenfone and this guy here, Motorola, and the Realme X2 Pro, which is already the champion when it comes to the Nightlight. But we're gonna try that, do that later on. So we have dark theme, which is already included. If you turn it off, let's go back to light or white, excuse me. So we go back to dark theme, which I prefer. We have share feedback for a Motorola customer service. NFC, so you can do payments here, which is really good. You have a certified phone from Google that can do NFC, and it's really smooth. We have audio effects. Now, people say that it has a single firing speaker on the back. It is. It has only single firing speaker here. Doesn't have a dual, but this single fire speaker can be edited here if you click on audio effects. And what you can do here, you can connect your headphones with the USB Type-C, and you get yourself really good audio experience. Or you can use the Bluetooth and get yourself, for example, the LDAC and all the professional codecs included. And in addition to that, you can also customize the speaker, what you want to have or what you like to listen. This is loudspeaker, as you can see. So it's not a Dolby Atmos specification. It's different. It's from Motorola. The action engineered the sound the way they see it fit. So you have music, film, game, podcast. So it depends on what you like to do. Some of them have different sound experience. I just prefer to put it on auto, so it actually can do the recognition automatically. Let's go back here. And where are we here? Yeah, okay. So that's about the audio effects. Now, there's something called GIF Maker. And I was interested, what's going on here with this GIF Maker? So what I can do here, check this out. While recording, Android system can capture any sensitive information that visible on your screen or played on your device. This includes password, payment, info, photos, start, and audio, everything. So we're gonna do here, you can capture something here. Do you want to record it by video? And you can click on the video. You can see this. Let me just move it a little bit here. You can see the record button here. And you can see what's going on. If in the background you can record. Let me just give you an example. So this is, it's recording right now, and I'm turning it off. And here, as you can see, it's playing right now. As you can see, so you can just do some type of graphics and stuff like that, playing with this feature. So let's go back to notification, and this is gonna be a long video, guys. So sorry about that, but I have to show you everything. We click on the pencil sign here, which is gonna give you extra options, which are here. We have another button for data saver. We have inverted colors. We have storage. You can access your storage files straight from here. This is a focus mode, which is digital well-being. You can work with it. So if you wanted to do monitor your usability of the phone, you can do it here. We have bedtime mode, also digital well-being. We have live caption, and this is where you actually I think this is in Pixel phones, where you can actually use the caption while you're talking exactly, directly can translate the work. Let me just give it a shot and try it here, see if it's actually gonna work with it. So live caption, and here, as you can see, live caption detects speech on your device and automatically generates caption. When speech is captioned, this feature uses additional battery. All audio and captions are processed locally and never leave the device screen, available in English only. So yeah, this is a feature that you can use. For example, if you want to do, let me just double check. Yeah, here. So you can see here, you can choose the language. It's only English right now. We have high profanity, please strict symbols, show sound labels, live caption volume, etc. And it's very interesting feature that it's in Motorola as well. Now let's go back to the setting. Now we'll start with the setting. Now the setting is a clean experience, guys, from Android. Very few addition here, or very few additions on the Motorola. Let me show you what we have here. So we have network. I'll go through it real fast. We have network, internet, which is, as you can see, if you go to, what is it, SIM card. Okay, no problem, just go allow. Yeah, so we have dual SIM card, as you can see, and it's either two SIM cards or a SIM card and SD card, so it's up to you. Hotspot, typical hotspot, that's saver, VPN, nothing much here. Connected devices here. As you can see, you can pair your new device through Bluetooth, and you can also connect with it to display. This is ready for, this is the feature that this Motorola actually promoting, where you can connect to the TV and display. It's very great. I'm going to show you later on for you this one. But for now, let's just go quickly. App notification, nothing special here, just a notification. Battery, you have the user details of the battery. If you click on it, you can see what is going on. Now, one thing about the battery, the phone, on a standby mode, it draws a lot of battery. So this is one unfortunate thing. I hope Motorola drops a quick update to this. Display, nothing much. Sound and vibration, nothing much. I explained that before. Storage, privacy, location, security, account, accessibility, nothing in here special. This is the Android 11. So thank you guys, and see you in another video.